it's hopeless when you think that you lost.
Alright guys, in the past few Instagram followers videos, I showed some amazing ways of increasing your Instagram followers, but all those were paid methods. And a lot of you guys messaged and commented for making a video on a free method. Also, Instagram has become damn strict about bot followers, and that's why all the free services for followers are taken down. And even I will never recommend anyone for fake followers, either it is paid, either it is free, doesn't matter. Just grow with your real audience and genuine followers, and that is good for your profile. But still, if you are in search to increase your followers for free, then just do watch this video till the end for the complete procedure. So with that being said, yo, what's up guys, TheFatRat here, and now without any further ado, let's get started. So there is an application named FanLift, which is available for Android phones, and you can download it by going onto their website from the link given below in the description. So first, just download and install that application. After the installation, you have to click on that blue button first for logging in. And the best thing is that you can log in from a different or fake account for gaining the coins, so the followings of your original account won't be increased. So after login, just close the pop-up and then click on Auto 5 points. And then the application will start following different accounts automatically, and the coins will start increasing too. Also, you can earn coins by running auto liker. So just click on auto followers or auto liker and just leave your phone. And after earning good number of coins, you can place an order for your account on which you want the followers. So for placing an order, go to promote option in the application and then select follow in the first option. And then go to your profile, copy the profile link URL on which you want the followers, and then paste the link on the application and click on place order button. And then select your package. You will get different packages for different number of coins. And once you will place the order, the followers will be delivered to you within an hour. Generally it takes 15 minutes, but sometimes it takes even an hour. And also the followers delivered by this application aren't removed from Instagram. So this was one of the best way for increasing followers on Instagram for free. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video a lot, and guys, make sure to do follow me on Instagram @techparadise_ for future updates and for exclusive giveaways. Also, you can download FanLift Plus from the link given below in the description, and remember, this is a free application. So if you have any question in your mind regarding this video, please put a comment below in the comment section, and also give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on tech. I am TheFatRat and I am signing off.